So welcome to our practical civil engineering with Wasim Alam. So today our new topic is how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate in M20 grade. So it is M20 grade. We suppose that you can find in anyone. It's about your design. So before, what is M20? What is M20? So M20, M is stand for mix, and 20, that is the characteristic compressive strength. So M for stand for mix, and 20, which is the characteristic compressive strength, which is 20. So the ratio for M20 is 1:1.5 ratio 3. So it is the ratio. Assume that we have to find for 1 cubic meter. Suppose it, you can then multiply with according to your quantity. So as we know that dry volume is equal to wet volume multiply 1.54. So it is a formula for 1.54 is density in concrete. So that we have to multiply 1.54 with wet volume to find the dry volume. So for that, wet volume is 1, as we suppose it, which is 1 multiply 1.54. So total will be 1.54 cubic meter, which is dry volume. Now we have to find cement, sand and coarse. So for cement volume, we know that ratio of cement divided by sum of ratio multiply dry volume. So ratio of cement, which is 1, this one is cement, this is sand, and this is coarse aggregate. So 1 multiply 1.54 divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, which is 5.5. So it will give us 0.28 cubic meter. So it is in cubic meter. Now we have to convert this into kg. So for kgs multiply 0.28 with 1440, which is the density of cement. So it will give us 403.2 kg. Now we have to convert this into bags. As we know that in one bag we have 50 kgs. So divide by 50, it will give us 8 bags. So it is about bags. So now we have to find volume of sand. So for sand, as we know that we have a ratio of 1 into 1.5 into 3. So for sand, this is 1.5 divided by total, which is 5.5 multiply 1.54. So it will give us 0.42 cubic meter. It is in cubic meter. So we have to convert this into CFT. So 0.42 multiply, when we convert into CFT, so we have to multiply in 1 cubic meter we have 35.28 CFT. So multiply 35.28. So it will give us 14.82 0.82 CFTs sand. Now you have to find crush, volume of crush, which is 3 divided by 5.5 multiply 1.54, so it will give us 0.84 meter cube. Now you have to convert it into CFT also. So volume of crush is equal to 0.84 multiply 35.28, it will give us 29.64 CFTs, volume of crush. So this is all about quantity of cement, sand and aggregates in M20 grades. It's about you, as we find this is for 1 cubic meter 1. So if you have 20, so 14 multiply 20, it will give us in CFTs. For that also 29 multiply 20, so it will give us CFT. So it's all about the quantities and according to your ratio. So this is, if you have any difficulties or you want to discuss about any topic, you have comment, so I'll try my best. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel. Thank you.